Before we look at some killer combos of writing styles and structures, it's probably best that we start with a quick run through of the email structures themselves and how they work. So for this, I'm going to use the Engage Master, which is the first of our writing styles, and I'm simply going to run through all 6 of the structures here. The first is the engaging blueprint, and this email has been generated using both Engage Master, the style, and the engaging blueprint as the structure. So the best example use cases for the engaging blueprint would be product launches, lead nurturing, and high engagement campaigns. Obviously you have the subject line and preview line, then it rolls into a 3-paragraph introduction that engages with a bridging subheadline leading into 3 to 5 bullet points. Then there's a further bridging subheadline rolling into the call to action. Then you've got your sign off and PS. Next we have the quick connect. This email is generated with the quick connect and again the Engage Master. The best use case for this is welcome sequences, flash sales, and re-engagement campaigns. This email has a singular, potent paragraph conveying the core message or benefit, a standout bullet point underscoring the main benefit, followed by a punchy call to action, a warm sign-off, and a PS that reiterates the email's core value or benefit. Next, we have the deep dive. This email is being generated with the deep dive. Best example use cases for this are an educational series, an in-depth product showcase, or knowledge campaigns. This email has multiple detailed sections marked by clear subheadlines. And for each section, you get a series of informative paragraphs followed by 2 to 3 bullet points condensing the insights, rounded off with an impactful concluding statement or paragraph and a call to action. The PS on this will usually have an additional insight or tip. Next, we have the tease and reveal. Example use cases for this would be pre-launch campaigns, mystery offers, and teaser campaigns. The body here starts with a series of teaser statements or questions, building anticipation. Then a dynamic reveal, typically an offer or core insight, followed by 3 to 4 bullet points that support the reveal, and then a compelling call to action, a casual sign-off, and a PS that adds a hint or teaser for the next email, opening a loop. Then we have the value spotlight. Now this is great for sales campaigns, product features, and unique offers. The core of the email here is an engaging paragraph focusing on the core benefit, followed by 3 to 5 bullet points, each spotlighting a feature or value proposition, and rounded off with a value-driven call to action, a reinforcing sign-off, and a PS that offers a bonus tip or benefit. And lastly, we have the conversationalist. This is best used for feedback campaigns, survey invitations, and community building. The body of the email is a series of conversational paragraphs peppered with anecdotes and personal touches, along with natural interjections of key takeaways framed as shared secrets or news. The call to action is informal, as is the sign-off, and then you have a PS that again shares a quick update or tidbit as if adding to a chat something that had just slipped your mind. So those are the 6 different email structures that you can use. Now let's have a look at some killer combos that we love to use. So the first combo is the Engage Master with the Engaging Blueprint. Now this formula, with its strong emphasis on engagement and building interest, perfectly mirrors the Engage Master's natural talent for crafting attention-grabbing subject lines and engaging openers. It allows him to weave his typical narrative, leading the reader through a journey from the start of the email to the compelling call to action. Now I know this particular writing style has been responsible for tens of millions of dollars worth of digital marketing sales, so it is definitely a proven style. Next, we have the casual ace and the tease and reveal. The casual ace's penchant for intrigue and suspense would perfectly mesh with the tease and reveal formula, creating emails that dangle a promise then deliver on it, keeping readers hooked. Next, we have the story sage with the deep dive structure. Given the story sage's affinity for weaving detailed stories and drawing readers into a narrative, the deep dive formula complements his style perfectly, allowing for a rich, immersive email experience and often generating longer format emails. Next, we have the Wealth Wizard with the Value Spotlight. The Wealth Wizard's knack for delivering actionable insights and value are enhanced with the Value Spotlight formula, emphasizing the tangible takeaways and benefits in each email. And last, we have the Wit Warrior and the Quick Connect. The Wit Warrior's ability to quickly grab attention and deliver clear messaging is further accentuated with the Quick Connect formula, making for concise, punchy emails that resonate instantly. So those are 5 quick combos of email structures and desired writing styles that work well in different scenarios scenarios. Now that you've got a better idea of what each of the email structures do, feel free to go back to that homepage and have a look through your writing team and work out who you want to try for each of the different email structures to experiment and find what works for you best. Thanks very much for watching.